Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2012 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, remote start, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, premium sound system, CD player. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.